How to install Concora Credit app. So just tap get and then double click to install. You will be able to install it. Manage your card 24/7 from anywhere. Select your card. All of our products are here and are only a tap away. Select your brand, Concora Credit, Hellsberg Diamonds, Jared K, Dale, Step Pay, done. Stay on track. Manage your account with the Concora Credit app. With the app, you can activate your card, make payments, stay up to date with your transactions, and manage your account information 24/7. The Concora Credit app works with the Milestone MasterCard, Destiny MasterCard, Indigo MasterCard, Irniva MasterCard. Like so, yeah, you can see all the types here, and then you can just open it up, and then you just see it here. Select your brand. So I don't know, Indigo. And then you just need to log in or register. Registration is easy. Enter your card number, date of birth, social security number to get started. So yeah, that's how you can get started with all these kinds of brands.